tour around the control room. That's a speaker. That's another speaker. Why is there two? Because we broadcast in stereo. Left and right channel. It's pretty cool. It's only been around since 1970. Anyway, what are you doing?
I'm making my pom-poms. Go team, go! Go team!
You already got pom-poms. Oh!
Go team, go!
There you go. If you can make him do that. So, welcome back, students, I guess. Hey, you were at the LU orientation last night. That was cool. Confederation College orientation. That was even cooler because the boys were younger. What? Kidding! All right. So, what are you going to do?
Rah-rah, siskumba. You know what? I'm going to smell better.
You used to be a cheerleader. Didn't you used to be a cheerleader?
No, see, I wasn't competitive cheerleading. Yeah, so I wasn't out on the football field like the sweater and everything. I couldn't do a cartwheel.
Is that why you hate blondes to this day?
Not everybody was a blonde cheerleader.
What?
What is that?
That's kind of a stereotype, isn't it? Aren't they usually blonde?
No.
You put me as a blonde on our Martin D website.
That was interesting.
That was pretty fun. Yeah.
So anyway, LU, we're going to be there all night.
Yep. Well, you were there all night long, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
This was a sad Thursday thing for me.
Can you let that go?
Well, they lost.
Hey, this probably lost. Hey!
Hey! Don't make me!
I'm
going to hit you with this
thing.
All right, NFL Ticker score is updated tomorrow or Sunday for the 1 and 4 o'clock games throughout the football season.
Ciao for now. Ciao.
Get the touchable